Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use a teleprompter in Capcut on PC. Let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC and click Create Project. From the top left corner, click Text, then choose Default Text to add it to your project. Next, click Yours to access your saved text styles or templates. If you want to add effects, go to Text Effects and choose a style you like. Drag the text to the timeline at the bottom. Click the text box in the preview window and adjust its position and size. Now type the script or speech you want to use as your teleprompter. From the right panel, open the Style tab to change the font, color, size, and formatting. Then click the Animation tab and select an entrance animation, such as a typing effect, to create a teleprompter-style appearance. Adjust the duration to control how fast the text appears. Finally, preview the video and make sure the speed matches your speaking pace. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.